By the way, the magnets that came, I ordered them from CMS Magnets, about $135 to $40. They actually won't slide that easily over. I start from from this side, from the left side, instead of close to, this side. Obviously, it would get pulled together. If I start from this side, it will catch on the metal, and then I just slide it over a little bit and position it. Definitely not the way to do it. It's better to use your wooden stop. But after the first two magnets, I got the hang of it. Okay, last magnet, it should repel. Both these magnets should repel them. Yep. Okay, this one might be a little tricky. Just make sure it goes in the right place. It's less difficult than I'd imagined. I had done this before with smaller magnets. It's just you gotta have a healthy dose of respect for big magnets. That's why I didn't want to do this until I am ready to do it. Don't do this if you're tired or your mind is not on this. So what I've done is I just inserted the the top rotor into the shaft here, and I'm going to put in this spacer. This is 1 3/4 inch. So the magnet is 1/2 inch. So 2 layers would be 1 inch. And the stator is 1/2 inch, so that leaves about 1/8 of an inch from the magnet to the stator. So that would be the gap that would be left. So I'm just trial fitting to see if this is gonna work. So I got the jacking bolts on here, and the hole is in the spindle there. So I'm just retracting the screws. So this allows me to do it gradually. And the top dead center is here, and the other plate top dead center is here. So it should lock in place, hopefully, if I did everything right. Pretty good. This is going to be a vertical windmill. Next I'll have to see what kind of wings I have to build. I would say at least the wings have to be 3 feet tall. And then I have to make some kind of base for it. Okay. I think I'm running out of battery on my camera. Again, I apologize for the lighting. Okay, this is how it looks. Beautiful.